How's it going out there? Check it out. I'm at my latest flip here in Canton, Georgia. Want to give you a walkthrough, show you what's going on here. Pick this up off the MLS. This property is on 3 acres. So it's a ranch with a basement, which is a very desirable layout. People love it, especially people who are getting older. They love these ranches. Everything on the main level, master on the main. And the bonus here is it has a basement. Now, check this out here. This used to be previously a garage. The owner converted it to like a workshop, put a patio door there. We're gonna blow that open, bring it back to a garage, a 2-car garage, put a 16-foot door there, give it a little modern feature. The roof on this house is fairly new, only 5 years old. The gutters were just replaced. The HVAC was just replaced. So the roof and the HVAC being brand new saves me about $10,000 on this deal. So lets me play around and add some other cool features. As you come in, you see it's already pretty open, the layout here. I'm gonna figure out if I could do something about these columns, see if they're supporting the structure or not. This property has this kitchen here that I'm not that big of a fan, but you know, I can't really do that much with it. I'm just gonna make it all modern. And over here, the garage entrance has 2 doors, one here and one behind the kitchen. So I'm gonna eliminate this door and make a bar here, base cabinetry and open floating shelves over here. Put a fridge in the middle, and that'll give it a little modern pop. And when we come out here, like I said, the living room's already pretty open. Has 2 decks, one up here and one on the bottom level. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna spruce it up, make it nice. Right here is the master bedroom. So currently this little thing is the master closet. I like to make these pretty luxurious, and my goal is to take this currently seating area, blow the closet out, frame it in, probably go half on the windows. It's unfortunate that the windows are here, but I will have some close them up, bring this wall out to here, put a door in the middle, so it'll be a big, beautiful master. Still plenty of space, even if I do that. Here, we are going to make a modern bathroom. I'm gonna add a barn door here. It's gonna slide that way. This bathroom is fairly large, so we're gonna keep the double vanity style. And here we're gonna take out these walls. We're gonna, fully gut all of this, and this is big enough that I can have a stand-up shower there and probably still get away with a bathtub right here, one of those freestanding bathtubs. So the vision is this will be all open. You'll have your stand-up shower, a bathtub, a toilet, and it's still large enough to have all those. So we're just gonna spruce it up, put a lot of money in the master bathroom there. And then I won't take you to the basement today, but that is a full renovation down there. It's already finished, but we're just gonna update it. So continuing on the first level, got this bathroom. I'm gonna gut it all, just go in with brand new modern finishes. This is simple, easy to do. Probably put in around 5,000 there. Here's another bedroom, pretty outdated. We're gonna take all this shelving out. And the good thing is the whole upper level has natural hardwoods, the real hardwood flooring. We can save those, they look very good. So here you go. My latest flip, picked this up for $280,000 off the MLS. We're gonna put in $50,000 here, and then we are going to be listing it around $450,000. So this is the idea. Again, this is the patio door that the owner replaced. Previously, it was a garage. So we're gonna go in with all of that again, blow all this open, put the garage door. It already has 220 voltage here and 220 voltage outside, so I may go in with an electric vehicle charging station. It's a cool feature. It doesn't cost me that much, especially since the 220 is ran there already. So stay tuned, keep you updated.